study video. We are just going to discuss the subject called as neural network. And as we have done it in the last month, we have taken a scenario and we discussed about case study, as well as for the same scenario we have taken design thinking video as well. So in today's video, we are just going to discuss how this neural networks which will power AI chatbots which we are using now as ChatGPT and Google Assistant. So let me explain you the scenario. For that scenario, you are going to tell the application and how neural networks work, and how this chatbot works, what all the methods can be implemented with the help of neural network, and at last we can conclude the part. So the scenario goes like this. You have a AI chatbots. We are now currently using which are the things called as ChatGPT and Google Assistant, say for example Siri or anything, which actually uses neural networks. Actually, you know what is a neural network? Like it's a which is inspired from our human brain. So how these things will work? That's what which use neural networks to understand and which generate human-like behaviors or responses, which will transform to the digital interactions. So we will discuss about the role of neural network and what are the applications of neural network, how this chatbot is work, and we say about the conclusion. Okay.
As ma'am discussed about introduction of neural networks, power AI chatbots like ChatGPT and Google Assistant, now I am going to deliver how neural networks plays a vital role. First is RNN and LSTM. As we all know, this we have learned in machine learning also. Handle sequential language processing, and second thing is transformers, which is GPT and BERT, that enables advanced text understanding and response generations.
So now let's see how the chatbots work. So first we need to collect data, that is data collection and pre-processing. Large scale text data is clean and structured in this stage, and later understanding the input, which we use NLP, which is natural language processing. AI interprets meaning using word embeddings, and it gives a response, which we call as the response generation. GPT model creates context-aware replies, and the chatbots need continuous learning so that they can improve themselves. AI improves via user interactions and feedback.
So coming to the application part of this ChatGPT and Google Assistant, it mainly used for customer support. As we all know, it enhances in banking, e-commerce and various healthcare segments, which are automatically responses for our needs. And the next thing is smart homes. As we know, like smart homes in which the Google Assistant plays a major role, like Alexa, Siri, which plays a major role in IoT devices. And also in education and healthcare part, the AI makes various tutors and virtual medical assistant. So by considering these kinds of application, the ChatGPT and Google Assistant plays a major role, in which neural networks plays a vital role.
And to talk about challenges, like data privacy and bias, which is AI model that inherit biases and need secure data handling. And next thing is context issues, which is struggle with scarcity, as Deepali said priorly, humor and ambiguity. High computational cost, which requires significant resources and to train.
So now let's discuss the future trends in this. So we need chatbots which can give response more like human. Okay. So better emotional intelligence and real-time learning is needed for future trends, and multimodal AI is needed for also future trends. Integration of text, voice, and images. So currently we are having only the text format, and we are generating images using the GenAI model. And on device processing, we need faster responses and reduced cloud dependencies.
So from various topics that we have discussed today is on both the case study, in which the neural networks plays a major role in it. So by concluding this, the neural networks have revolutionized the chatbots, making them more intelligent and as well as the conversation. So for moving on future advancement, which will improve the accuracy and also it ensures the ethics and user experience. So by considering this, the ChatGPT and as well as the Google Assistants both plays a major role because these two platforms are enhances with our daily need uses. So neural networks also ensure in it and it plays a major role. So by concluding it, neural networks it powers the ChatGPT as well as Google Assistant.